Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna do a more chill, relaxed video. I am going to be decluttering and organizing my vanity because it needs it. It's really messy and I definitely want to organize it. It's just driving me crazy that I'm seeing like the mess that's in my vanity. It's just way too much going on, but today I'm gonna be doing it with you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos, and yeah, let's go ahead and declutter my vanity. Okay, love, so we're here at the vanity. So this is how my vanity drawer is looking like. It's messy. I need to organize it. This is just a hot mess and I do not like to see everything like scrambled in here. So we're gonna go ahead, jump in, clean this, organize it, declutter whatever I need to declutter, and then I'm also going to be wiping everything down with my Clorox wipes, of course, just to give it a nice clean. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump in to cleaning this big old mess. I organized, I removed certain items that I don't use on an everyday basis. I just took it out like for one day and then I never used it again. So basically I just organized it. Whatever I don't use a lot of, I just sticked it towards the back, and then I organized all the stuff that I do use every single day towards the front of the drawer, and then the rest to the back. So that is basically how I organized it. Now I'm gonna take you guys to my Alex drawer to show you guys me organizing my nail polish drawer, because my nail polish drawer is a hot mess. So I'm going to show you guys how I declutter that also. So let's go ahead and jump into that. Okay, love, so this is my nail polish drawer. I have a total mess in here. I have like miscellaneous stuff in here, stuff that do not belong here. So I need to organize this. So I'm going to take this opportunity to organize it with you guys and declutter all the stuff that has to go. So I'm basically going to organize all my nail polishes, and I got these little organizers from Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree to get stuff to organize the makeup and stuff, just because they're super inexpensive, and these were 3 for $1. So you cannot go wrong with these little organizers. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize this. So let's get started. organize my nail polishes. It looks so much more organized. It was looking super crazy, so I put my filers here, my press-on nails, and then all my nail polishes here. This empty space, of course, it might get filled up. I never know, because I always throw things in this drawer. So basically that is it for that drawer. I got rid of a lot of stuff that is on the floor right now. This is all gonna be in the garbage. And then I also wanted to show you guys this organizer that I did find at Aldi for $20, and I thought it was so good. It gives me the opportunity to store more of my makeup because I was running out of space in my Alex drawer because I just have so much makeup that I also need to declutter that, but I'm gonna save that for another video. I'm just gonna show you guys this. I organize my glitters and stuff like that, my rhinestones that I use for my makeup and also for my nails. I put it there, and then I put my glitters that I use for makeup here. And then I put some of my high-end palettes, my drugstore palettes, more high-end palettes, and then some palettes there. And then all the way in the bottom, I have like extras stuff that I have. And then these are my lashes, where I got all my extra lashes and stuff like that. So that is basically how I have my storage for now for my makeup. And I absolutely love this one. It's so good and so convenient. I definitely want to go through my Alex drawer, get rid of some makeup that I'm not using anymore and just get rid of it, and then organize this a little bit better. But yeah, that is basically it. That is it for my declutter video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves.